Let's unbox the 730C from Chargetech. 730C is a 30,000 mAh power bank for personal, business, or school use. It features the latest 21700 lithium-ion battery cells, meaning denser, longer-lasting batteries than older models. It's a compact size that's easy to hold in your hand or place in your bag. It has 3 ports up top, 2 Type-C and 1 USB-A. You can view battery capacity remaining and output voltage and current on the screen. Lastly, it comes with an included Type-C to Type-C charging cable for fast and convenient charging. For more information, please visit chargetech.com.